Are you ready?
Yeah.
I got a ticket for the long way round. Oh God. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Who are they?
They're my hype crew.
Why do you need a hype crew?
Why do you need a face when it's so ugly? You know, Henry, I've been meaning to say to you, something I realized about us is that we are cubers. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Ooh, damn, Daniel. Back at it again with the white GANs.
It's not a GAN.
You gonna try to tell me what a GANs is? All right, I wrote down your time. Here's your number.
That's not my number.
Psych! That's the wrong number! Hey, I got a question. Do you like pancakes?
Yeah.
You really like pancakes though?
I love them.
Oh shoot, Henry, I forgot to tell you. This is the with feet round. No, it is. Like, it really is. You gotta stop. Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go. That's the way.
Should I take off my shoe?
No, you're not allowed to. Against the regs. All right, you ready?
Yes.
Hey, do you think 15 seconds is long enough for a song?
No.
Haruyuki Miyoshi? I see we meet again, Mr. Haruyuki. Is that your name?
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Haruyuki. But which one is the real puzzle? Oh.
I guess I was right.
8 seconds. All right, you ready?
Yeah. I haven't solved yet.
You haven't solved?
No.
You didn't solve. So I guess that's
Not
a
yet.
did not solve. DNS.
I don't. I don't think that's how it works.
It's a pancake. All right, so you ready?
Yeah.
Hey, you know how cubecomps.com is supposed to have the live results from the comp?
Yeah.
You're doing your solve right now, but it is not showing up. Is that here? Can you help me? Thanks. So you're gonna have 15 seconds to inspect the puzzle. I'll let you know at 8 seconds, then I'll let you know at 12 seconds. And if you go over 17 seconds, though, it's a DNF.
Wait, so what does DNF stand for?
Stands for D's nuts. Got him! Unfortunately, that's a DNF.
No, it's not supposed to.
Oh, no. It's a DNF. There has been a timeout called on the play. Please stop play immediately. If you keep playing, you're gonna get played, all right? Now stop doing what you're doing, sir. Sir, this is an immediate thing. You gotta stop right now. Sir. Whoa. Whoa, stop. I'm gonna choke to death on this whistle. I'm cutting you off.
Good job, Nate.
I'm sorry, that's a +2.
I object.
What do you mean?
It's not a +2.
Overruled! Overruled!
Oh, you just destroyed the photo font.
Overruled!
So, what are your mains?
Mains?
Yeah.
Mains?
Yeah.
Mains?
Yeah, what are you?
Mains? More like gains? Oh! Yeah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10! Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. I certainly did enjoy watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. That's not true, actually, now that I think about it. Anyway, I wanted to let you know that this video was sponsored by thecubicle.us. Great website. If you want to buy something from them, you can get 5% off any order with the discount code Pockets. Once again, that's thecubicle.us, discount code Pockets to save 5% off. That'll save you money and it'll show your support for this channel. So please go do that. Thanks for watching again. Be sure to subscribe for many more videos like this. I post 2 every week. And I'll see you later. I'm sorry to whoever owns this cube. Can somebody else watch the camera and make sure it doesn't like shut off? I feel like it's getting low on battery.
What do I do if it shuts off?
Nothing.
Tell you?
Just yell. Just yell.
Just cry.
Yeah, we just all cry.